Now I will introduce the operation of Huazhong CNC system. We can see that the current system panel is Huazhong 818A system operation panel. Now the interface is the machining interface in alt mode. The keys in this slide are those keys for functions. This is the system coordinated display area. This is the display area for the program. This is the G-code mode display area. This is the display for MST functions. S shows the current spindle rotation speed. F shows the current running speed of G01, ladder interpolation. T shows the current tool number. Select the first functional button, Program. You can see the two main storage areas, System Disk and U Disk. In Program, we usually select machining program in System Disk and U Disk. The user disk or network disk are not commonly used. In the system disk, select any program. Move the cursor. Look down to select the program 09. And the main program interface displays the current program named 09. This is how to select machining program. Click Enter. Click Program. Click U Disk. The content of the U Disk needs to be transmitted by the USB interface. Insert the U Disk in USB interface to read the program. Choose O10 program. Then the main program interface will show O10. During the machining, the U-disk should not be pulled out. Otherwise, the machining will be immediately terminated. Now we move to the next step. Click Edit. The first button is New. We can create a new program in the system disk. We can create a program, named it 0909, and click Enter. Now the program can be editable. You can see the program name is 0909. Click Back. You can also see the new program name 0909 in the main interface. Select Program again. This is the program in the U-disk. Enter into the Edit interface. This key is to save file. When we modify the program, for example, modify the speed M03 S600 to S4000, we need to click Save File, and this program will be saved immediately. And this program will be saved in a U-disk. With this key, Save As, you can place the edit program anywhere. Find. Find the M code. Click Enter. When the cursor refers to the M code, continue to find M code. It can find all the M codes in this program. The third button is Verify. Click it to start verification. Now the program will be read block by block. After that, if the program returns to the starting section and no alarm occurs, it proves that the program is correct. During the verification, the spindle and workbench don't move. It means that the spindle and the machine tool are locked. Select any line. It means we are free to choose the machining starting segment from any line. For example, move down the cursor. Start machining from N22. Click Enter. Click Cycle Start. And the program will run from N22. This is the function of any line, which can be used for selecting the starting segment. Display switch. This interface is the Joint Coordinate Display interface. This is the Graphical Display interface. This is Program Display interface. This is Coordinate and Program Display interface. We have 4 interfaces to switch. Click Track Setup. In the Track Setup, we can edit and set the program graphics. For example, switch the view of XY plane, and then switch the YZ plane, and then switch to the XZ plane, then switch the joint display plane, then switch to the XYZ plane. Graphics Restore can return to the initial state before the setting. Graphic up, down, left, right. Zoom in. Zoom out. This is the graphic track setting. We can let the program graphics of verification to verify. Move up, move down, move left, move right, zoom in and zoom out. Click Tool Composition. The tool composition is only for the values corresponding to the tool in the table. This interface matches the set interface. This is the current position, measurement, INC, incremental input, relative actual, relative clear, all clear. click All Clear. You can see all the values in the tool compensation table have been cleared to 0. In relative clear, select the x-axis to clear. Then the relative coordinates of the x-axis are all 0. Select the y-axis to clear. Then the relative coordinates of the y-axis are all 0. This is the function of relative clear. Coordinate system. The coordinate system has a variety of coordinate systems to be chosen, such as G54, G55, G56, G57, G58, G59, and G54. This is external zero offset, relative coordinate system, machine coordinate system, relative coordinates. Now we see the machining interface. Click Set. And this interface is generally consistent with the tool composition interface. We default that the tool composition is the machining area, and it can be used as a sub-module in the setting area. We can see that sub-program functions, such as tool magazine, tool life management, coordinate system. These functions are located in the set area. The program interface is mainly used to switch programs in different disks. For example, go to the System disk. Select the 09 program, click Copy, and paste on the U disk. The System disk of the 09 program is pasted into the U disk. We can also delete the program. Click the Delete button. Click Enter. In the program interface, we can switch to programs in different disks, including copy, paste, delete, etc. Diagnosis. In this interface, we can set alarm message, alarm log, ladder diagram, status, macro, etc. Maintenance. In the maintenance interface, you can set the PLC parameters. MDI interface. In this interface, we can modify, run, and save some short program. This is a general introduction of the basic operation of Huazhong CNC system.